Hi friends, so today we're going to do a power hour and I am thankful that you guys have joined me. I hope that this gives you motivation to do something around your house. And basically, as my toddler is currently in Russian preschool, it's the weekend. Let's set a timer, but before I press start, the two things that I want to get done today is basically sort out this bedroom, maybe do a surface clean in the bathroom, and I have the office room that you don't often see. It's basically a mess and we're trying to sort it out. I don't know for how many times we've tried this already, but basically we are going to put down the floor finally next weekend. So we're going to try and sort out as much as I can today whilst my son is away and see how we get on. So let me start this now. Let's go for it. So it's go, go, go. As you can see, my dog has got the zoomies, so we're having to work around that. Plus he made a mess that I have to sort out later on, which you'll see. But I started off with the flooring. Excuse the absolute horrible floors that we currently have in the bedroom, but that will be done after the office is done. So add that to the list and keep going, right? So that's exactly what we're doing, and I'm hoping to do a lot more DIY stuff in the bedroom as well. So like upcycle those shutter doors. So I'm going to make them a really nice bold colour. So yeah, I can't wait to add some panelling to the bedroom too. So that should be a lot of fun. But because we're also sorting out the office, I've got my sewing machine here, which I want to go in there eventually. I also want to make that whole section like drawers so that I can put like my nail polish in there, and later on you'll also see me sorting out some of our bathroom bits from the old house. So we moved into this old house early last year, so we still had a box left of things, so you'll see me sort that out in a little while. But note to self, when you are dusting, do that first and then hoover up, because then I had to re-hoover what I've just hoovered because like I had all that dust, as you saw, go onto the floor. Okay, so quick drink break, and I've got 41 minutes left. If you could see that, probably can't see that, there you go. 40 minutes left, so let's get to it. This is the box that I had laying around since we moved in about 1.5 years ago, and it has lots of random things from ladies' sanitary things. I've got some hair scissors there, I've got makeup, I have lots of other things as well, but basically I wanted to put it into perhaps a shelving unit, as I've mentioned earlier, in the bedroom, but that means a lot more DIY, so that adds into our list of things that we need to do around the house. So we'll get there eventually, but I just don't want any visual clutter. I've put them away nicely, you'll see at the end, but I think I'm going to end up moving it somewhere else, or decide whether I even use those things, because if I didn't need it for about a year or more, surely it means that I no longer need it and no longer require it, and therefore I can pass it on if somebody wants it, or just throw things away. Arguably, you always have to have a room where you just put everything into, which is like a storage room, right? So we don't exactly want to do that to the office. We actually want to use the office as the office. So we did try and sort it out where possible. As you can see, we've been working really hard to move around furniture, get rid of boxes, put everything that needs to go in the garage. So it gives us plenty of space to actually work and DIY, decorate the room in the next couple of weeks. So fingers crossed that you'll have a makeover video coming your way very soon. And as you can see, the alarm's going off, and here we stop. Thanks for joining me.